Egg. It's a good rubbery egg. A rubbery egg. It's a good egg. Goody, good egg.
And what kind of a bird are you again?
No, I'm a penguino.
What color?
Pink. I'm pink penguino. I'm a penguino, Dad. I'm a penguino. I'm a picture from a penguino. Dad moved from here
Why?
because I'm over here.
I can see you.
Dad, let me feed. Dad, let me feed.
Careful, you're right at the edge.
Hi, little bunchy. Me. My egg. It has a pinguino. I wanna feed. I wanna feed. Turn it around. Turn it around. A basketball. I'm up in the air. My egg's up in the air.
Mm-hmm.
Turn it around again.